declare. Oh Lord, the Lord Most High, heavens declare. Most High, the heavens declare the glory of God. The skies show forth your mighty hand. Day unto day pours out your speech. Night unto night reveals your plan. No tongue, no tribe, no voice unheard. Your truth resounds across the earth. From east to west, your light is seen. The sun you set, you rule the heavens declare. The heavens proclaim your glory, Lord, forever the same, from mountain high to ocean wide. All creation lifts your name on high. The heavens declare, oh Lord divine, your power, your beauty, your perfect design. Your law, oh Lord, is perfect and pure. It changes hearts and makes them sure. Your word is truth, it lights my way. Your wisdom guides me every day. Your statutes bring the heart delight. Your commandments shine with holy light. Sweeter than honey, richer than gold. Your promises never grow old. The heavens declare, the heavens proclaim your glory, Lord, forever the same, from mountain high to ocean wide. All creation lifts your name on high. The heavens declare, oh Lord divine, your power, your beauty, your perfect design. Cleanse me, Lord, from secret sin. Keep me pure and right within the light. Let no pride take hold of me. Set my soul and spirit free. Then shall I stand before your throne, blameless by your grace alone. Be pleasing to you, my Lord, Most High. Blameless by your grace alone. Be pleasing to you, my Lord, Most High.